Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and protecting data. Run the PC health check to confirm TPM2. 0, secure boot and hardware minimums. This avoids surprises. Next, make a full system image and copy personal folders to an external drive so you can restore if needed. Also sign into or link your Microsoft account and record your Windows product key. Once done, plug into power and ensure a stable internet connection before proceeding to the installation steps. Now obtain the installer and prepare your media. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant for an in-place upgrade or grab the ISO and use the Media Creation tool to make a bootable USB. This gives you options for repair or clean install. Make sure to disconnect printers and external drives you do not need and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to prevent interference. Once the USB is ready or the assistant is running, proceed with the chosen method and follow on-screen prompts to begin transferring system files. Complete the installation by following prompts and choosing whether to keep files or perform a clean install. The system will reboot several times. Make sure it remains powered. After setup, run Windows Update to fetch drivers and security patches, and then visit hardware vendor sites for any missing drivers. Re-enable antivirus and reconnect peripherals. If something goes wrong, immediately try the rollback to Windows 10 from settings if available, or boot the USB to repair or restore the system image you created earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.